question number 4. Express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in the exponential form. You have to express each of the given numbers in the prime factors only in the exponential form. Okay, you need not to simplify, just to express as the product of prime. After that, get your answer in the exponential form. First part, it is given that 108 into 92. 108 into 92. Now do the prime factorization. 108 for 108, 2, 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8, here 2, 27 2s are 54. It goes with 3 table, it will not goes with 2 table because the unit digit is, if the unit digit is either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is divisible by 2. Okay, so 27 it goes with 3 table, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9. Are you getting here? So 108 can be written as, okay, and then 92. Do the prime factorization for 92. 92 can be written as, it goes with 2 table, so it is what, 46, 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12, again it goes with 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, that means 23. 23 is a prime number, 23 is a, so prime number, so you can stop it here. Okay, sorry, 192 it is given, not 92, 192. It is 192. So do the prime factorization of 192 now. 2, 9 2s are 18, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12. Again it goes with 2 table, 2, 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. Again it goes with 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again it goes with 2 table, 12 2s are 24. Again it goes with 2 table, 6 2s are 12. Again it goes with 2 table, 3 2s are 6. Am I right here? Yes. So 108 into 192 can be written as, listen carefully, 108. In this 108 what? How many 2s are there? 2 2s are there. So you can write 2 to the power 2 into, how many 3s are there? 3 to the power 3. 108 can be expressed as 2 power 2 into 3 power 3. Similarly, 192 can be expressed as what? How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 to the power 6 into 3 to the power 1. Am I right here? Yes. Now, again, 2 power 2 into 2 power 6. That means here we are having the same base but different exponent. Okay. So a power m into a power n we can write. That is a power m into a power n is a to the power m plus n. That is 2 to the power 2 plus 6 into 3 to the power 3 plus 1. Am I right here? Yes. So 2 to the power 2 plus 6 is 8 into 3 to the power 3 plus 1 is 4. Here we express the given number as the product of prime and also we got the answer in the exponential form. Are you getting there? Yes. Then second part, 270. 270. How can you express this 270 as the product of prime? It goes with 2 table because the unit digit is 0 here. So 2, 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6, remaining 1, 5 2s are 10. After that, it will not goes with 2 table because the unit digit is not either 0 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. Then, what is the divisibility test of 3? Yeah, if the sum of all the digit of the given number is a multiple of 3, then it is exactly divisible by 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. So 9 is a multiple of 3, so it is exactly divisible by 3. So 3, how many 3s are there? 4 3s are 12, remaining 1, how many 3s are 15? 5 3s are 15. Again, 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is a multiple of 3, so it goes with 3 table again. 3, 1 3 is 3, 1, 5 3s are 15, again 3, 5 3s are 15. Are you getting here? So, 270 can be written as 2 into, because there is only 1 2, here how many 3s are there? 3 3s are there. So, 3 to the power 3 into 5 to the power 1. 5 to the power 1. Are you getting there? Yes. Shall we move to the next question? Yeah. Next question is 729. Okay. Before that, we will do 768. 768. 768. Do the prime factorization of this. It goes with 2 table pakka because the unit digit is 8 here. So 3 2s are 6. Remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. Then 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Again it goes with 2 table. 2, 1 2 is 2, remaining 1, 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Again it goes with 2 table. 2, 9 2s are 18, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12. Am I right here? Again it goes with 2 table. 48, 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16. Again it goes with 2. 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again it goes with 2. 12 2s are 24. Am I right? Okay, we will do again. Wait. What is the question? 768. I think so. 768. 768. It's a fourth part. We will do the third part again. 768. Yeah, do the prime factorization now. 768. 2. 3 2s are 6. Remaining 1. How many 2s are there in 16? 8. Then how many 2s are there in 8? 4. Am I right? Yeah. Then again, it goes with 2 table pakka. Am I right? How many 2s are there? 1 2 is 2. Remaining 1. 9 2s are 18. Then 2 2s are 4 here. 192. Then again, it goes with 2 table pakka because unit is this 2. So how many 2s are there in 19? 9 2s are 18. Remaining 1. 6 2s are 12 here. Again, it goes with 2 table. 2. How many 2s are there in 9? 4 2s are 8. Remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. Then again 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. Again it goes with 2 table. How many 2s are there? 12 2s are 24. Again it goes with 2 table. How many? 6 2s are 12 here. Then again it goes with 2. 2 3s are 6. Then 3 into 1. So therefore, these 768 can be written as, how many 2s are there? Count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 1. Therefore, 768 can be written as, how can you write? 2 power 8 into 3. 2 power 8 into 3. Are you getting here? Yeah. Now, come to the third part, 729 into 64. 729 into 64. 729 into 64. Third part, 729 into 64. Now do the prime factorization of 729. It goes with 3 table because 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is what? 18. So 3, 2 3s are 6, remaining 1, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again it goes with 3 table, 3, 8 3s are 24, 1 3 is 3. Again it goes with 3, 2 3s are 6, remaining 2, 7 3s are 21. Again it goes with 3, 9 3s are 27, again 3 3s are 9, 1 3 is 3. Am I right here? Yeah, 64 now. It goes with 2 table because the unit digit is 4 here. How many 2s are there in 6? 3. How many 2s are there in 4? 2. Again it goes with 2 because unit digit is 2. How many 2s are there in 3? 1. Remaining 1. How many 2s are there? Yes, 6 2s are 12 here. 2 times. 8 2s are 16. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Then 1 2 is 2. 1 2 is 2. So, 729 into 64 can be written as, 729 can be written as, yes, you can express 3 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 3 to the power of 6 into here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 to the power of 6. 3 to the power 6 into 2 to the power 6. So, we know that a power m into b power m means a into b the whole power m. You can write as 3 into 2, 6 power 6 also you can write. Are you getting here? Yeah. So we completed the fourth question. In the next video, we will do the question number 5 here. Okay? Yeah. Thank you everybody. Thank you.